Drinking grape juice regularly can offer various health benefits due to its rich content of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Here are some potential effects on your body. Antioxidant boost. Grape juice contains antioxidants like flavonoids and resveratrol, which can help fight oxidative stress and reduce inflammation in your body. These compounds may contribute to cardiovascular health by improving blood flow and reducing the risk of blood clots. Heart health. Some studies suggest that grape juice may have a positive impact on heart health by potentially lowering blood pressure and improving cholesterol levels. The antioxidants in grape juice may also protect against the oxidation of LDL bad cholesterol. Brain health. Resveratrol, found in grape juice, has been associated with potential benefits for brain health. It might protect against age-related cognitive decline and neurological diseases due to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Skin benefits. The antioxidants in grape juice could also benefit your skin by protecting it from damage caused by free radicals, potentially reducing signs of aging and promoting healthier skin. Nutrient intake. Grape juice contains vitamins like vitamin C, vitamin K, and various B vitamins, along with minerals like potassium and manganese, which can contribute to overall health and well-being. Digestive health. Grape juice contains natural compounds that may support digestive health. It contains fiber, albeit in smaller amounts compared to whole grapes, which can aid in promoting regular bowel movements and overall digestive function. Hydration. Like most fruit juices, grape juice contributes to your daily fluid intake, helping to keep you hydrated. Staying hydrated is crucial for various bodily functions, including temperature regulation, nutrient transport, and waste removal. Potential risks. While grape juice offers many benefits, it's essential to note some potential downsides. As mentioned earlier, it can be high in sugar content. Excessive consumption may contribute to weight gain, dental issues, or blood sugar spikes, especially in individuals with diabetes or insulin resistance. Individual tolerance. Some individuals might experience gastrointestinal discomfort or allergic reactions to grape juice. It's essential to be aware of any adverse effects and moderate intake accordingly. Children and grape juice. For children, it's especially important to limit juice intake. The American Academy of Pediatrics recommends avoiding fruit juice for infants under 1 year old and limiting intake for older children due to its high sugar content. Storage and quality. Store grape juice properly, following recommended storage instructions to maintain its quality and preserve its nutrients. Freshly squeezed or minimally processed grape juice might offer more benefits compared